But kids want everything they see, though, don't they? If they see it on television, they see it at the supermarket, they see it at the department store, they want it. My kids, for the past year, they've been bugging me for a dog. Oh, please, oh, please, oh, please, let us get a dog, oh, please, oh, please. And I find myself saying the same stuff to my kids that my mom said to me that I swore I'd never say to my kids. Oh, yeah, if we get a dog, who's going to take care of it? Who's going to clean up after? Who's going to feed it, right? And the kids, they lie, too. Oh, we'll take care of it, we'll clean up after, we'll feed it. So finally, after 8 months of listening to this, I gave in. I got them a beautiful Dalmatian, a purebred. And I was right. They didn't take care of it. They didn't clean up after it. They didn't feed it. So who's the one who gets stuck with the responsibility of having to bury this thing? They didn't feed it. I'm kidding. We have a fireplace. Pretty colors. Oh, some sick people here. I like that.